How to obtain spiritual best in Evony. So to obtain spiritual best in Evony, you must first build the pasture building, which requires your keep to reach level 21. Once unlocked, you can cultivate spiritual best within the pasture. However, each spiritual beast has unique unlock requirements which often involve collecting spiritual beast skills from events like the Forest Lord event or the specific item events to trade for the beast. So after that, what you will have to do is to simply go ahead and then identify your beast. So steps to get a spiritual beast is to first of all, build the pasture. So once you have built the pasture, simply identify your beast. So in order to identify your beast, you can simply identify your beast, open the pasture and check the cultivate or similar tab to see the available spiritual beasts. So for example, Hattie is here. So after you do that, you'll have to meet the unlock requirements. So each spiritual beast has a specific requirement, such as collecting a certain number of spiritual beast skills from event rewards or purchased packets. Acquire the necessary items, participate in relevant events such as Forest Lord events to earn skills and unlock the required items. At last, what you can do is simply go ahead and then unlock your beast. Once you have collected enough skills and met the specific requirements for a particular spiritual beast, you can use them to unlock it from the pasture. So that's where you pretty much ways to get the spiritual best in Evony. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you.